So you never want to have acne again, huh? I got you. I'm about to put you on to the 2 products that are going to stop all your acne. All that is a wrap. Right now, Lord, I've been doing it too long. And if I see another chick on your arm, what you right now, Lord? I've been doing it too long.
All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees.
So, yeah. First, before I do anything, I'm going to pull my hair back because this is a frontal wig. Hold on, let me turn this light off because my bill gonna be through the roof. Yeah, this frontal is like sitting right. It's sitting right. Get it right. Get it right. Get it. I don't want no water to hit it and unglue it. Oof, bird problems. When your frontal's laying just right, you don't want to jeopardize it. Y'all, look at my earrings. If you're not from New York, you don't know nothing about this. Hold on, let me show y'all. Look, my earrings say my name. That's real Harlem right there, baby. I like this angle because you can't tell that I don't have my pants. Only I can see because I'm looking in the mirror. All right, so my first step is to use micellar water. Micellar water is cleansing for your skin, and the biggest benefit to somebody like me is not only that it's cleansing for your skin and it gets off the dirt and like, you know, the oils, but it removes makeup really well. Obviously, I don't wear makeup today, but I'm still going to use this because it removes makeup and it cleanses your skin. I've tried 2 different micellar waters. I've tried the Bioderma one. As you can see, I'm almost done with this one. And the Garnier Skin Active. And honestly, they both do the same thing, but I like the how do you pronounce that? I like the Garnier Skin Active one better. There's nothing wrong with the Bioderma one. I just like the Garnier one removes more of my makeup with less product. You know, like there's more. It doesn't seem like this one is as watered down as the Bioderma one. And I might be remembering this wrong, but I think this one was cheaper. So, but obviously there's the size difference too. So, yeah. Other beauty gurus get all fancy and use like cotton pads, but I don't have cotton pads. So, but I don't want to put like tissue on my face, so I'm just gonna use my washcloth to keep it a stack. I'm not buying cotton pads for no video, you know. That's not really contributing nothing, especially when I don't have on makeup, so it's not like you guys will be able to see how much makeup I'm taking off, you know. I just put it on my washcloth and I'm really rough with my skin. You guys will see that. Like, I am not one of those soft, gentle girls at all. I'm really rough with my skin. That's not a good thing. You don't want to be like me. You want to be soft and gentle with your skin. You don't want to be pulling on it and tugging on it, because things like that create wrinkles. If your skin's really sensitive, it'll turn your skin, you know, red and all that. And my skin usually is red by the end of my routine. By the end of my skincare routine, my skin's usually pretty red, which is saying a lot because obviously I'm black, so it's not the easiest to turn me red. Okay, so the next step is to wash my face with a bar of soap. Sometimes I'll wash my face with a bar of soap, then do micellar water. Sometimes I'll do micellar water, then wash my face with a bar of soap. They both do separate things and they don't necessarily need to be done first. So like, say I have on a full face of makeup. If I use micellar water first, I take off most of my makeup and then bar soap will help what's left, or vice versa. If I use bar soap first to take off makeup, whatever's left, the micellar water will remove. And although the micellar water is good at removing makeup and cleansing, you know, the surface of your skin, bar soap is good for removing the oils from your face. Bar soap will dry out your face. So when you use bar soap, you are removing the oils from your face, and the oils obviously create whiteheads and pimples. If you have combination skin and you're afraid to use bar soap because you don't want to get too dry, but you still have a problem with oils, I would say use bar soap. But then at the end of your routine, make sure that you're moisturizing so that there's a balance. You're removing the oils, but you're not, you know, depriving yourself of moisture. That's a good tip. I should be an esthetician. Y'all see this? Mira mi cara. Aquí. What is that? Ugly. And I never break out with like that, you know? Like if I break out, it's like, it's little. It's never no big stuff like that. That's wild. Before you go to my comment section to say, oh my God, you have a breakout with a little pimple. How do you think other people feel? Just remember that I didn't ask. Just a little reminder. I'm mad funny. Yeah, I'm not saying I'm having the worst breakouts anybody's ever had. I'm just saying that's not normal for me, so don't whine. Y'all want to hear something really crazy is that bar soap, when it gets in my eye, does not burn me, but I cannot wear contacts. I can wear contacts as long as they're dailies. If they're not dailies, if they're like weeklies, bi-weeklies, monthlies, I cannot wear them. They burn my eyes so bad. But if I literally like take this bar soap and rub it on my eyeball, it won't burn. Oh my God, look at it. Hold on, let me focus. Look, should I pop it? Oh my God, do you think it'll leave a mark? No, I'm not gonna touch it. I always pop it and then a mark is left for like 6 months and I feel self-conscious about it when I'm not wearing makeup. So I'm gonna be responsible and not pop it, even though everything in me wants to go Dr. Pimple Popper on it. So you never wanna have acne again, huh? I got you. I'm about to put you on to the 2 products that are gonna stop all your acne. All that is a wrap. One of these products I have been using since I was in 8th grade. The other one of these products I've been using for a year. I'm gonna show you guys the one I've been using since 8th grade. First, it is the apricot scrub. This is like a dupe for it. This is from Target because it's cheaper. This is like a Target brand for it. But the real one is called the let me focus. The St. Ives Apricot Scrub. I've been using both interchangeably back and forth, like the real St. Ives ones and the Target brand one, and there's no difference, honestly. I don't see a difference in performance. They both work like a charm. And then now I'm gonna show you guys a product I've been using for about a year. This is the Biore Charcoal Acne Scrub. This one I use if I'm having a breakout and I'm like, whoa, my skin really needs to chill out. This one I use on the daily. So if I had like a bunch of stuff going on my face and it was breaking out and I feel like my skin's been like more oily lately because I have combination skin, I'll use this one. On a day-to-day basis, I wore a full face of makeup. Like, you know, most days I do wear makeup. I haven't much recently, but you know, on a typical week, I wear makeup maybe 4 or 5 days out of the 7 days in a week. So on an everyday basis, I will use this. When my skin starts getting on the more problematic side, I will use this. My skin is acting up a little bit, but I don't feel like I need this right now because I only have like this one little problem going on my face. So because my skin isn't being too problematic, I'm gonna take the St. Ives Apricot Scrub one. Like I said, don't be afraid to buy the knockoff brand of this because there's no difference. So I wet my face a little bit. So if I'm in the shower, obviously my face is already wet. If I'm doing it like this, like out of the shower, I have to wet my face again a little bit, just get it a little damp, and then I go in. I don't like to get it too wet because I feel like it dilutes the product and like changes the texture of it. Now I will say a lot of people say that the St. Ives, well, not a lot of people, I've only seen it online. Like a few people online say that the St. Ives Apricot Scrub is too rough for their skin. But I have skin that's sensitive but not too sensitive. If you have extremely sensitive skin, I would say be a little careful with this. Maybe try it just on like a part of your cheek or something and then see how your skin reacts. There are people that say that this is too rough for them, but I've never ever had a problem with this scrub, like ever. It's never been too rough. It's never made me, you know, have a reaction or anything. And I do have reactions to some products. So yeah, this is not one of them though. And I also would like to remind y'all that y'all skin is not as sensitive as you think. Everybody claim they got sensitive skin. No, you don't, sis. No, you don't. You used a foundation that broke you out in middle school, and now you still claim you got sensitive skin. No, you don't. your skin didn't react to 1, 2, or 3 products and now you think you got sensitive skin. No, you don't. Everybody loves claiming they got sensitive skin. Everybody's skin ain't paper thin, okay? Cut it out. This product is a scrub, not a mask, so you can keep it on if you would like to, but it's a scrub, meaning that all the action really happens when you go to like take it off, like, you know, you scrub it off. So yeah, sometimes I'll let it sit if I feel like I want my skin to really just absorb all, you know, everything that it's doing for me. But I don't know that actually really like is doing anything for me, because I know all the action really happens when you scrub it off. All white range. Go hit it if you aim. I make sure that as I'm taking off the product, I am rubbing it in because it is a scrub. So we don't want to just wipe it off, you know? You want to make sure that you are rubbing it in so that it is scrubbing and exfoliating. That's what I target my skincare routine around, is exfoliating, because I wear a lot of makeup. So when I wear a lot of makeup, obviously I need to exfoliate the makeup out of my pores, and I need to exfoliate really deep when I wear a lot of makeup. But also when you don't wear makeup for a few days, your skin starts to detox. And then as you're detoxing, all this stuff is happening on the surface of your skin because you stop wearing makeup. So I speed up, and most of the time I can cheat the detox process because I'm exfoliating so deep when I do wear makeup and when I don't wear makeup, that my skin never has a point where there's a buildup of toxins in my pores. I'm so good at this. Let me show y'all what I like about this product. I feel like I'd be going crazy, but like, y'all just watched it on camera. Like, look, that's gonna be gone in the morning. I'll check in with y'all in the morning too. I feel like that's gonna be gone in the morning. I do. I swear this product be doing that for me. Like, my breakouts be gone en la mañana. All right, and last step is gonna be a face mask. Face mask I only do sometimes, and tonight is one of those nights. Usually my routine will end here. My skin doesn't really need to be moisturized. I'm combination skin, but I'm a little bit more on the oily side, I guess, because I never have to moisturize and my skin doesn't really ever get dry. So yeah, I guess I'm a little more on the oily side, but I do have combo skin. My favorite face mask right now are the Lapkos face mask. Lapkos charcoal pore care face mask. It's funny because I also bought some milk face mask from the same brand, and I am afraid to use them. To this day I haven't used them. And Aina, I always say that wrong and I love her. Aina said in a recent video of hers that she's been using them, and I think she said she had dry skin, so I don't know if I'll try them. I don't know, maybe, because sometimes my skin does get a little bit on the drier side, so maybe if I'm feeling a little dry, I'll use that one day. We'll see. But this is the charcoal pore care mask by Lapkos, and it's like a K beauty brand, or like a K skincare, sorry. And I got it at a store called Riley Rose, and I did a video about Riley Rose. It's like all K beauty, K skincare, and online brands in one store. It's really dope. Y'all should see if there's one in your area. But yeah, this is like really good. I feel like this exfoliates me really well. My skin feels like butter after this, and that is like so important to me because I know it's exfoliating because it's charcoal, but it also leaves my skin feeling like good, and like, I don't know, sometimes I feel refreshed and like kind of moisturized after I use this, even though it's still exfoliating. Like, moisturized in the sense that it's exfoliating but it's not leaving me dry. Like, I hope y'all understand what I'm saying and I don't sound like a crazy person. You guys, this is random and has nothing to do with this video, but I'm just thinking, like, do you think Rihanna and Beyonce have ever even spoken. Right now, Lord, I've been doing it too long. And if I see another chick on your arm. Okay, I'm gonna go sit down while my face mask is on. See you in like 15-20 minutes. Ciao, talks later. After 4 fruit gusher packs later, I'm back. Now I'm going to take the excess. Yeah, this real extra, I know. I want all the smoke. I want all of it. I've just realized I literally just threw that in my toilet. Oh my god, if I go to flush that and my toilet gets clogged, oh, I'm gonna throw a fit for real. And it's gonna be all my fault, and I'm gonna act like I don't know what happened when maintenance show up. Now we just work all this extra product into our skin. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing now, flipping in my room. All right, I want you guys to take notice of 2 things. The first thing being, I still have product sitting on my skin, and I'm going to sleep with that and let it really soak into my skin. And the second thing being, look at this bad boy. Boom. Yeah, wait, let me focus. Let me really focus for y'all. Boom. Look, that's done. That's a wrap. That's gonna be done when I wake up. I will come back in the morning and show you guys, you know, what it did overnight. All right, guys, so there you have it. I just gave you guys my proven methods and secrets to getting clear skin literally overnight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I'm so tired right now. If you did enjoy, give me a like and a comment down below, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.
Promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in the struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from. All of a sudden I